Sunday, and today we've been doing lots of little jobs, making videos for social media, making videos because one of the prizes that we're putting in is that washing machine there. So we've just had to do a review video on it so we can get that stuck in the raffle. Look, it is quite a good little bit of kit. It's so quiet. I washed this hoodie in it last night. It worked really well. And there it is. A nice top on it. A couple of bits need to still come out. But there's everything that comes with it. Let's lay it down. So before we put everything together, let's just have a quick look inside. So obviously there's a motor here, belt, just making sure everything's tight. Lots of these spring clips. Pipes feel good. It's like a traditional washing machine drum now. They're all plastic, aren't they? So it looks to be okay. Electrical connections are in a plastic bag of all things. Okay, big capacitor there on the left hand side. Yeah, water pump here. Yeah, it looks just like any other washing machine. There's your heater elements there. So looking at it, it just looks like it's a matter of feeding it through these two bits here, getting it in position, and 2 screws there. That's it. Cool. Right. So let's get this waste pipe on. I'll just squash that on there. It's just a push fitting. So what we'll do is we'll turn that round so the clip never gets knocked. There is a clip on the top of here as well. It goes in there like so. And it's got a little suction cup on it, I think, for when you're not using it. What we'll do is we'll just screw this on and then we'll set it up outside on a tap. Right, I believe this is a spare that I have in my hand. So that's that pin there. Let's keep it somewhere safe. Push one end in there, and then the other end we there you go, that's in this time. And to close it, there's a little lock here. You can see that? I'll just move the drum over. That is it. Just a little twist lock. So it is very simple. And I'll be honest with you, it feels really, really good. The only concern I have is this glass top. That's all the safety warnings on the top. And this looks like where all the controls are. So we'll come back to that in a minute. Comes with a manual as well. So that's the next step for me. We've got it all built up. We've got the lid on. We know how the door locks. It's got all the controls on here. We've read the warnings on the top. Now we're going to just take a couple of minutes, read through this and see if there's anything I've missed. Right, I'm confident enough to put a load of washing in it. So I found the filter. I'll show you where that is. That's on the inside. So some years are probably as old as I am, just a youngster. I can remember my mum having a single tub and a twin tub. It was like this, but with a bit beside it the way you dried stuff. So this has taken me way back. But there you go, inside there is the filter. So we have to check this out every now and then. Okay, yeah, so that catches, that silicone bit in the bottom catches all the scum and crap, I think. Oh, it's quite, they've thought of everything, haven't they? So that stops anything from getting into your pump. Put it in the right way. So that's brilliant, that. That's an idea that should catch on. because the amount of shit that I pull out of our washing machines, money, keys, all that sort of stuff, that would maybe stop all that damage. I'll be honest with you, so far I'm impressed with the build quality and they've thought of everything. Let's see how it behaves. Now it can only hold, I believe, 3 kilograms of washing, so that's not a lot. If you're out and about travelling, you don't really use a lot, do you? So that might be ideal. Maybe not in the smaller vans, but in the bigger rigs, the overlanders, the somewhere where you've got a bit of space where you can carry something like that. It might be a good idea. Proof is in the pudding though, so I'm gonna go away, find some t-shirts maybe to wash or some smalls, give it a whirl. Okay, we've got the washing machine all set up and plumbed in. I'll just show you. So we've got it plugged in up there, the hosepipe connection on here, and we've just run the waste out and under the door down the hill. Let's have a little look. That's cool. I need to go and get my glasses, I can't see a thing. Right, if we press program and timer, it cycles through the different washes. And the very last ones, you can clean the tub out. So let's just go for normal. Let's open that up and let's start to get ready. Today I've been dressing up an old tow bar. It needed a bit of work done on it, quite rusty. So I've been dressing that off, and my hoodie, my new Decadence hoodie, is a little bit dusty. So I'm going to wash this today, so we'll pop that in. Just drop that in. It's about half full. I don't want to overload it, so we'll just do that one. Drop a tab in. Close the lid. Lock it. There it is, locked. A bit stiff that, but that'll be the newness. So we've followed all the instructions, we know what we're doing. Let's close that lid down and, well, press play, shall we? And away it goes. Better turn the tap on. Yeah, needs water, doesn't it? Right, let's try again. Oh, that's more positive. It's letting the water in. So we'll come back to that in an hour and 9 minutes. I think that number on the front is the timer because it's just dropped down to 68. There's 22 minutes left and it's got slightly noisier, but it's nothing that you would write home about. And there we have it. It's quite clean, that. Definitely was rinsing. It's just a mini washing machine. It's functioning exactly the same. That's nice and cold. That's just a cold rinse. And there you have it. Finished. All finished. Right. Let's have a little look. Moment of truth. Oh, that is stiff, that. Definitely newness. Well, it's... Oh, shit. Oh, I wonder if them USBs are waterproof. Oh, shit. Ah, well, we'll find out, won't we? Always empty your pockets, son. Yeah, it looks nice and clean. Let's get it hung out and we'll dry it. Can't tumble dry this apparently, so we'll just air dry it. I think it's been a success. What a great little machine. Just wonder if it's cleaned the colour of me. Just wonder if it's cleaned my my hard drive and my USB drives. Just leave it on there for a little while. Job done. So I just thought I'd check the lint trap, and it does work. There's a little bit of fluff there off the hoodie. Cool. Well, it worked. Everything smells clean. It is clean. I left this to dry and I've popped it on this morning, so it does what it says it's meant to do. It's not a bad little thing. I think you can buy them for as little as 140 quid. It's got 8 programs, hot and cold, 750 revs per minute, but it's ideal if you're just wanting something in your van where you can do your washing on the go. As long as you can find a tap and a power source, you're away. Be interesting to see how it performs off a power bank. There's something to think about. I wonder if it would run off a power bank. But yeah, nice little compact washing machine. And we're just about to package it up because it's going to be a raffle prize at Decadence. Anyway, let's get it done. So there you have it. There you have it. Shit jokes. There you have it, all nicely packaged up. Nice compact washing machine, the HAVA T02. Star prize at Decadence. Some lucky winners going on with that. Why not head over to our website, thecraftyblinders.co.uk, where you can find out a little bit more about us and the offers we have on. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok to keep up to date with what we're up to.